Respect is one of the basic human values. As it applies to people, is defined as an attitude of admiration or esteem for a person. This feeling is generally a result of a person's achievements. While all people deserve respect, not many of them receive this. Everyone wants to be respected by others, but not all of them get it. It's important to first define who a respectable person is before giving respect to him. First of all, you have to keep in mind that to demand respect, you will have to treat others with an equal amount of respect. Respect is just a word, but what it means and what it distinguishes for us can make all the difference in how we observe ourselves and others, as well as how we relate to future possibilities and choices. Many successful relationships have been built around different political or religious beliefs, but it all boils down to respect. They are based on the belief that both partners are equal, that the power and control in the relationship are equally shared. In a relationship, respect means listening to each other, valuing each other's opinions, and also understanding the other's emotions. If you want to make yourself respectable with your girlfriend, here are some helpful tips which you may use. Number 1. First of all, it is essential to have self-respect. Treat yourself with respect. If she sees that you don't have any respect for yourself, she might consider that she doesn't have to show you either, because it is not important to you at all. Number 2. What you give is what you take. Show respect if you want to be respectable. Everyone wants to be admired and appreciated. If you show your girlfriend that she is important to you, you'll be easily in her good graces. Be attentive, give compliments, and make her feel comfortable with you and content. Simply admire the person you are with and listen carefully when she talks. So, she'll love to spend time with you. Number 3. Relax. Women think men are mediocre because they have a boring personality. So, when you have a date with her, relax and have fun so she will feel great with you, because if she finds you boring you may get dumped. If you make her feel good, she will respect you for the funny guy you are, being the person who can make her smile even when she is sad. Number 4. Don't lie. We all know that women don't like to be lied to. If she had caught you with a lie, she will not have any more respect for you. But if she sees that you are sincere to her all the time, she will be proud of you, and will show more and more respect for you. Number 5. Be confident and polite. Look into her eyes when she talks to you, and make her feel that you are a person who can trust. Show her that she can talk with you about any subject or problem she has and can count on your help. Don't forget to be polite, this will bring reciprocal respect. When you are in a relationship, you must be treated with respect, which means your girlfriend must let you feel comfortable being yourself, can admit when she is wrong, is willing to compromise, respects your opinions, feelings, and friends. She also should try to resolve conflicts by talking honesty and accept when you're saying no to things you don't want to do. So, take a deep look at your relationship and watch out if your girlfriend is making all these things for you, and if not, you should try these tips to make her respect you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.